Hi, my name's Daniel Field. My goal for 2018 is to have infinite freedom.
Hi, my name's Corin, and a goal that I'm really committed to achieving this year is to have a healthier lifestyle so that I have more energy. That way, I can really go for my purpose.
Hi, I'm Laura Jacobo, and this year, thanks to the goal setting with the Yes Group, I am committed to go vegan. Thank you very much. Happy New 2018 to everybody.
Hi, I'm Faisal. For 2018, I want to take a client abroad for an intensive coaching session.